Oh, the dog. Oh, hey, stay over here. Hey, go. Getting deeper. I swam that earlier. There's spots you can't even touch the bottom. Just walking by. Aren't that crazy? I get.
You're off. You been drinking?
No, I'll drink.
You on drugs?
You ever heard of autism?
Autism?
Yeah. No. You ever heard of autism?
Okay.
Autism. I have that. I'm socially awkward. What's normal to me is not normal to most people. Pardon?
Fit right in with the crowd.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
What you do to the lawnmower?
Oh, I had to park it. It burns about a quart of oil per hour, so I have to limit how much I drive it. I'm serious, about a quart of oil per hour.
Yeah, man, I'll bring you a quart of oil.
Oh, you will? Oh, okay. That'd be nice.
We're going to pull up, check the gas, and fill her up with oil.
Yeah, I swam all through that earlier.
6,500.
Yeah, I swam the whole thing.
There's no fish and it swam up in the butthole, right?
Nope, there's no fish in there.
Oh, there is fish in there.
I know that there's fish. I know that there's fish that can do that, but I don't think it's here in Florida.
Oh yeah, these diseases here that'll get your ass in Florida, I promise.
I've been a distant swimmer like ever since 19. The only thing I've ever had was the shits.
There you go.
Yeah, people look at me like, why are you climbing on that? Why are you swimming there? Because I want to.
You ain't hurt nothing. I'm just thinking out the weekend.
Yeah, people think I'm drunk.
Swim all you want to swim, just don't get run over by somebody.
Oh, I know. Yeah, you're not the only one who said that.
Right.
Yeah, I always tell people about my disorders. They're like that, they understand. Two-wheel drive. crazy. I have trouble hearing whenever there's a lot of noise.
It sounds good, don't it?
I know it does. It does sound good.
You know, it's got blue stuff under it.
Oh yeah, that's a paint.
Just paint it today.
Oh wow, that's nice. Yeah.
You know when they did the house?
What?
We had the Orby they took
Oh wow.
and he put in the truck and he just put gators on the side and then threw the paint on top of the Orby.
Oh wow. Pardon? I'm crazy. I climb around. I climb around like a crazy person. I was out there swimming earlier. Yo, you guys were watching me, weren't you? Now I'm a little cold, but first thing tomorrow morning I'll be swimming. Yep, first thing when it's cold. That's the best time. Yep, I'm crazy. I could climb around this all day. I jump in there and swim. I don't let nothing hold me back. Are you scared? Are you scared?
No, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna jump in right now. But it's cold. I ain't gonna do that.
Did you know it's the best time to swim when it's cold? It actually,
I don't like swimming when it's cold.
it actually makes you feel happy. Believe me.
Makes me mad.
Really? It makes you mad?
Jump out there.
Oh, I swim alright, but first thing tomorrow.
You said jump out there.
Oh, first thing tomorrow morning I will. Early, be awake early and watch. I'll be swimming laps in there. That's what you call the mud hole lap pool.
I think this is shit.
Okay. No, I'm not full of shit. I'll be doing it first thing in the morning. I'm crazy.